Hi, today I would like to show you how to introduce letter sounds through fun learning activities. In Jolly Phonics learning, S is the first sound that is introduced to a child aged 2 to 4. In this video, I let Leah say the sound, do the action, and sing the letter sound song. And then, I let her trace the letter on flower, on the sandpaper letter, and then write the letter on the board. To add the fun, I let her find some objects that begin with letter sound. Hi Leah!
Hi!
Are you ready to learn our first letter sound?
Yes!
Today we are going to learn the letter sound S. Can you say S? Now let's try to do the action. Can you put your hands together and wave like a snake? There. Now let's sing the song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Very good. Now let's try to write the letter sound. Are you ready? Now let's trace this sandpaper letter. Would you like to try?
Okay.
Go ahead. Well done. Now let's trace letters on the flower. Now can you please try to write the letters on the board?
Yes.
Can you please show it to us? Wow, that's really nice. Thank you, Leah. Now, Leah, would you like to play treasure hunt game?
Yes.
I have placed some objects in our play area, objects that begins with letter sound S. What you need to do is, you need to find some objects that begin with letter sound S. And once you found the object, you need to show me and tell me the name of that object. Do you understand? Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Okay.
SpongeBob.
What is that?
It's a SpongeBob.
Okay, that's good. Let's find some more.
I found a stone.
Oh yeah, you're right. Of course, that's a stone.
And a snowflake on the top.
Wow, that's nice.
I found a stick.
Can you show me? Oh yeah, you're right. That's a stick.
A big stick.
Yeah, you're right. That's a big one. Yes, of course. Seesaw. Do you like playing on seesaw?
Yeah. I just need to get up. Ah, I'm not coming up.
Now let's find some more. Are you ready?
I found a slide.
Where is it?
There.
Oh yeah, over there. What colors are the slides?
Blue and red.
Blue and red slides. You're right.
There's a lot of blue.
Yeah, you're right. Now let's find some more. here. Woohoo!
I found another stick.
Where is it? Oh, that's a big one. So it's a logs. You're right. We have so many logs over there. So we need to try to find objects with letter sound. Yeah? Maybe we'll do all in the other day, okay?
Okay.
Now let's find some more letter sounds. Wait, Leah, excuse me. Just on top here. We are not going down. So what is that? Here, the black one. What is that? Here.
Oh, sand. I step on it.
So what is that?
It's a sand.
Sand.
I found a Spider-Man costume.
Oh yeah, you're right. Wow, Spider-Man costumes. Spider-Man.
I'm ready to. That's too small.
Okay.
Another boy.
Wait, anyway. The sand? Look at that. Where is the sand? Is it in a bowl?
No.
So where is it?
What?
What do you call it? What do you call this big round thing? Or not round anyway. Big oval thing. What do you call this? It's a sand pit. Can you say that?
It's a sand pit.
Sand pit. Now I think you need to find 3 more. We have 3 more objects.
What is it?
I'm not sure. Let's try to find it. Leah? Excuse me, Leah. You missed something. What is that?
6.
It's a number 6. Cool.
Upside it.
If upside down, it will be number
6.
okay, but if the other way, it will be number 9. So now we use it as number 6. Okay, now we need 2 more. Remember something long that we wear on our waist? Sometimes when you are dancing or when you go to temple, when you go to temple or when you go dancing, you need something long that you need to wear. Remember? Okay, let's go straight there. Can you see it? Yes, what is that?
I just need to put it.
Ooh. So what is that? Do you remember the name? Sash. Okay, I think just one more thing. This is a sign. I'll give you a clue. This is a sign.
I don't need to.
Hmm?
I don't need to.
Why?
Because I already know what it is.
Okay. Oh, you don't need a clue, you mean?
Yeah.
That's good. That's even better. So where is it? I'll give you a clue then. It's under a big tree. Leah, look at me. Leah? Wait. Leah, look at me first. Yay! You found it. What is it?
Like this.
Can you show me?
It says stop.
Can you show it the other way? What is... Because the green one says go. So what is the red one? It says
Stop.
stop. Let's say it again. Stop. Wow, well done, Leah. I think you found all. Now let's go back inside because I think it's going to rain. Yeah? Can you please take the basket? And let's count how many objects with letter sound that we found. Yeah?
1.
Can we do that inside? Let's get the basket and bring inside. Thank you, Leah.
Hi everybody! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe here for more. Bye!